All right, the last part of this little project is basically doing migrations. And this is something that we have done in the movie project. So it's the exact same thing. The only thing that we need to do kind of ahead of time is drop the existing database and remove some of the code in the program CS file that is ensuring the database is created, because we're going to use migrations to create it instead. So in the package manager console, and again, it's tools, and you get package manager, and open the package manager console. You're going to key in drop database. And then yes. All right, so poof, it is gone. And then we are going to go ahead and remove the code that ensures that it's created, because this is actually what was generating the database. Where is that code? There it is. So the directions say to remove it. I'm just going to comment it out. Okay, we still want to run the seed data, so everything else can stay. Just we don't want that command to run. And in our package manager console, save everything. We are going to go ahead and do a migration. So we're going to do add migration, initial create. And if you remember, this is going to create the up and down methods. It's going to have a migration folder. Here is the initial create file with the up method, which is going to tell Entity Framework what tables we need. And this is a little more involved than the last project, because we have 3 tables. We have course, student, and we have enrollment. And you can see course and student each have a primary key. Enrollment also has a primary key, but we also have foreign keys. So that information is in here as well. And it is automatically creating an index on those foreign keys. Okay. And then if we decide to remove or do the drop command, it's going to drop those tables. Right, so this is the code that it's going to execute when we update database, which is what we are going to do now. So it's going to take that code and it's going to create the SQL commands to create our tables. So these should look fairly familiar. Okay, we've got a primary key constraint, foreign key constraints. That is our SQL code. And at this point, we can go ahead and run the project. So we have all of our data, and our search should still work. Details where we've got that enrollment information. Okay, so all of our functions should still work in here. So this is the end of the tutorials, and the next video is going to show you how to do some scaffolding for courses, and we'll do an about page, fix up our landing page, which really is not very pretty, and then we'll add some general formatting.